When you go outside in the sunshine, do you ever worry about the UV rays and how you can better protect yourself and your skin? Well, I am so excited because I found a great way to do just that with this UV mirror by Logic Body. It's perfect. I love the packaging it comes in. It's so compact and easy to bring along anywhere I go. It uses a UV camera in the case to show you where your skin is still exposed to those UV rays and where you should apply your sunscreen to better protect yourself and leave no spots that are vulnerable to sun damage. You can see the first part lights up, and then you can adjust it to wherever you are, inside or outside. It's a digital mirror, so you can see exactly where you're putting the sunscreen on because it actually darkens that area that you're covering properly. This not only helps you put your sunscreen on the right way, but it also really helps to prevent sunburn and also diseases like cancer that can really harm your skin. It's also great for checking when to reapply coverage when you've been out in the sun for a few hours. I like to check my kids when we're at the beach because they spend so much time in the water that I know it's not going to stay on all day. I also use the UV mirror at night when I am removing my sunblock so that I can make sure it's all gone and my skin can breathe, which is also really important for healthy skin. You can use this mirror for at least 10 times a day and it will still be charged for at least 2 weeks. This is definitely the first step to keeping your skin protected, healthy, and young from sun damages. I think everyone should have one of these mirrors to take with them, whether they're traveling, going to the beach, anywhere they're going. I think these are so important to take care of our skin.